Have you ever noticed how picture frames these days are so boring and dull? And seriously, when is the last time you've seen a picture frame that hasn't been made in China? Well, have I got news for you. Introducing Nature's Frame, produced by Mother Nature herself. Nature's Frame is both easy and practical. They're all one of a kind, and they're all eco-friendly, made with natural materials right here in Turks and Caicos. To order, just call 1-800-FRAME4U or visit our website, frames4u.com. Again, that's 1-800-FRAME4U or our website, www.frames4u.com. Nature's Frame.